Somebody in here who keeps on... Yeah. Wow, that's weird. My friend just texted me about this. That's fucking weird. I was just about to say something. Yo. You're good. Like, I get requests to play shit, not from people because they, like, want their songs on my live, but because they're like, yo, you should listen to this. Like, can you put this on? It's actually good. Like, I fuck with this. See if you like this. And it's because they're like, oh, I love this song, blah, blah, blah. And I'm not saying that that's not what you're doing, but you definitely are like, nobody should be asking somebody to play a song that much, bro. You're good. Just, there's other conversations happening. Like, we're talking about, what have I been talking about? There's lots of things to talk about, bro. Been talking about fucking makeup and fucking COVID and shit and what else? Been talking about a lot of shit. It's like every time there's a subject happening, it doesn't matter what's actually happening in this live. It doesn't matter Jhonni Blaze. It doesn't matter what we're talking about, what the subject is. It's all about play my song, play my music. So that kind of makes me question, like, do you actually care about what's going on right now, or do you just want to have your music played on my live? Cause now that makes me not want to do that. You know what I mean? And it's no disrespect to you. It has nothing to do with, I'm sure you're great. I'm sure. I just don't feel, I want to play the music I want to play right now. I don't feel like, I'm not even really taking requests today. But I think you're doing a little much. You're just doing a little much. No, thank you. I appreciate that. I think you're cool too. But I don't need you to be demanding. I know, it's fine. It's fine. I don't like I'll be honest with you. I don't like the way that you're very adamant about that. I think it's cool to just vibe. Just hang out. What's your favorite food? No, it's okay. You know what I mean? Just vibe. Like, that's what we're here for. I'm not a DJ. I'm not a radio host. I'm not a like, I'm just trying to hang out. So you don't have to leave either. Stay. See, that's the problem though. So the moment that I'm like, hey, I don't feel like playing this song that you're telling me to play, you said, okay, I'm out. You understand where I'm coming from now? Why were you here? It's not, there's no point if here to hang out. If you really liked me, if you really actually liked me, there's no point in being here to tell me to play your song, and then when I say I don't want to, you're leaving. No, people, fuck those people. They said they want you to go, fuck it. Hang out, vibe. And there's no fucking reason to be embarrassed. Don't listen to these people. No, what the fuck? No, you didn't offend me. You didn't offend me not once. No, you absolutely... Bitch, I don't even get offended. Stay. Stay right there. Don't you click that X. Oh, I didn't mean to make you feel horrible. That I made you feel horrible. That's not what we were trying to do. Grab some fucking Doritos and hang out. You're welcome here. Just know you're welcome here. But if people are giving you shit and you don't like it, then just don't. I don't think you need to. It's okay. And it's not even like you did anything that serious anyway. You're good. No worries, please.